Hi, this is Pastor JG here. I want to show you how to remove this ignition switch out of a 2000 Toyota Tundra. That's what I took this out of. These are the tools you might want to get hold of before you get started. A 9mm socket and extension, and you want to make sure that you have a flat tip screwdriver, and make sure that you have some slip ring pliers and a strive. And also you need a mirror so you can see underneath. So these are the things you want to remove this starter switch. Amen. To disassemble this. Now I wanted to show you where this switch come from. If you just bear with me for a minute. If you look at, you remove this cover underneath. You got 4 screws to remove this cover. Then you have a cover that's over the switch that you need to disassemble. It's just 1 screw that's holding it, and you take it off of your cover, and this is where your switch come from. If you bear with me, your switch come from out of here. Underneath there, the first hole that you see, there's a plunger that you stick in. Push the plunger in the first hole, and your switch will come out. And this is how your switch look after it comes out. So to disassemble this, you make sure that you take your ring pliers, and if you look at the bottom of this, you see where the ring pliers, these are the ring pliers, the blue handle one, to take that off, to slip the front of your switch out, and you can work on the pins that's on the inside that causes this switch to lock up. What happened, it was locking on me when I went to different places, and I felt like I couldn't get back unless I jingled the lock to crank the vehicle. So if you have that problem, this is what you are working with. So have a nice day. You know how to disassemble and take out your switch. This is off a 2000 Tundra. A 2000 Tundra. And most Toyota switches come out like that.